Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using a clean, dry stainless pan because moisture prevents proper browning. Once you set the burner to medium, wait 2-3 minutes, then flick 1 tsb water in the center. If beads form and dance, the pan is ready. Make sure to add 1-2 tsb of high smoke oil and tilt the pan to coat the surface evenly. This creates the necessary temporary nonstick barrier, so food will sear rather than stick when it first hits the metal. You should add food only when the oil shimmers, placing pieces dry and spaced so heat distributes evenly. Once food hits the surface, resist moving it. That undisturbed time builds a brown crust that releases naturally. If you need more color, raise heat briefly, then lower to finish cooking through without burning. Use tongs or a metal spatula for sturdy foods. For delicate items, choose a thin spatula. Once done, transfer to a warm plate to rest. You finish by deglazing the hot pan with about 1/4 cup of liquid wine, stock, or vinegar, scraping the fond to make a quick sauce. That flavor is gold. After cooking, cool briefly, pour out excess fat, then soak with hot water and a drop of dish soap before scrubbing with a non-abrasive pad. If something sticks, don't force it. Add a splash of water and heat to loosen the stuck bits, then scrape gently once they release. That prevents scratches and preserves seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.